India is losing the global AI race, and in 2024 to 2025, the gap between India, US, and China has become massive. Let me show you the numbers. In 2024, US private AI investment reached $109 billion. China, even with its growing economy, has raised $39 billion from both government and private sectors, while Indian AI startups just raised around $780 million in 2024. Compare that with US and China, which is 0.7% of the USA and 2% of China. And even in 2025 till October, Indian AI startups together raised only $616 million. That's less than what a single mid-sized American AI startup raises in a single round. So why is the gap so huge? And I found these three reasons behind this. Reason number one, India's R&D spending is too low. The US spends 3.5% of its GDP in research and development. China spends 2.68% of its GDP, while India spends only 0.6% of its GDP. That's 1/6 of USA and 1/5 of China. Reason number two, lack of foundational infrastructure. AI needs massive compute, GPUs, and high quality data sets. But in India, most high value data is not even stored in India.
Today, we produce 20% of the world's digital data. It's not stored in India. Only 1/10 of that is stored in India. 90% is exported into global data centers, largely owned by big techs. It is processed into AI, brought back into India, and sold to us in dollars.
Yes.
It is exactly what happened 200 years ago with the East India Company. Techno-colonialism.
Reason number three, brain drain from India. Because of low funding and limited infrastructure, Indian AI founders moved to US, Singapore, and Europe. Recently, two 25 years old from IIT Kharagpur has raised $61 million for their AI startup, but not in India, in the USA. And this is happening repeatedly. Our best engineers are building AI, just not in India. And to fix this, Indian government must need to invest heavily in AI R&D, build large-scale public compute infrastructure, support startups with patient capital, create sovereign Indian datasets, and push corporates to invest in foundational AI, not just apps. Until that happens, India will keep relying on foreign companies for AI, and the gap between US and China will only grow. What do you think India needs to do next? Put your thoughts in the comment, and for more such videos, subscribe.